Alright, what is going on, guys? As you can see, pretty gnarly looking river there. Pretty gnarly looking car here. And we have 360 camera. So today I'm just gonna go for a random leisurely drive, and I got the little 86 toy that my brother gave me. If you don't know, go watch the video. I'll put it'll be up here or here somewhere. But there's a story behind that. But you gotta watch the video to figure that out. Let's go. So recently I've been going to the license school. I don't know what you call it, but me and my dad, we're both getting the motorcycle license, the big CC bikes. And right now we're in like the first half of it, so we're just putzing around the track. I mean the course. We're going over, you know, the balance beam and the little bumpy area, the S-turns and stuff. Doing the slalom. I find the slalom the most difficult, but I think I'll get used to it once I figure out what I need to do, the timing of the gas and stuff. It's just, the gas is so responsive on motorcycles. It's like a go-kart. Yeah, but I can't wait to get my license so I can drive these roads on a motorcycle. Also want to take a motorcycle to the racetrack. I want to experience racing a motorcycle. Any of you guys race a motorcycle or just ride motorcycles and whatnot? They seem really cool. The way you lean into the corners just feels really good. But I want to experience like really hardcore leaning, like all the way to the ground. That's gonna take some practice though. But yeah, anyways, check out that camera. I can point it at that mushroom right there. You're seeing the mushroom right now. Looks like some shit out of Studio Ghibli or something. There's a bunch of motorcycles behind me. I don't know if I can point that with the 360 camera though. You can probably see it in the mirror, right? Want to ride motorcycles too. This area in Oita Prefecture, pretty much anywhere in Oita Prefecture, is like a really cool motorcycle touring spot. They got all these mountains and rocks just shooting out of the ground. If you've ever watched, what was it called, Attack on Titan? They got a lot of Attack on Titan stuff around here. That might be something you're interested in. So I don't exactly know where I'm headed, but I'm just gonna drive wherever I feel like. Just one of those days. You know, I was watching a video of Keiichi Tsuchiya driving on the mountain that Mount Akina is based on. It's called Mount Haruna. Probably heard it from various other Initial D type videos, but anyways, he was driving on that mountain. He was talking about how in the 80s he would take his 86 and travel all across Japan with the editor for Carboy magazine, and he would go to these mountain roads and like challenge the locals there. That just seems really cool. It's such a cool experience to have, you know? I mean, you could sort of still do that. There's people that definitely still go up to those mountains, but it's a little different now, I think. I'm gonna go this way. Let's see where this goes. But yeah, he said he went to all the toges in Japan. So that means I think he went to all like the main ones, the popular ones in each prefecture. pretty wild traveling all across Japan with the editor Carboy magazine. So cool. I want to find that magazine or those magazines. In Japan, they have a thing called Yahoo Auctions, which is basically the eBay of Japan. I could probably find myself some of those magazines. Might be kind of cool. I could show you guys on the video. Just hearing him talk about that experience just made me think about how there's just so much out there to experience. I want to experience so much in this car and my other 86. I've been thinking about moving up to Kanto area, up north, where all the racetracks are, up by Tokyo basically. Specifically, I want to go near Mount Fuji and be close to Fuji Speedway because they have a lot of events there, and I'll be able to race this thing there and experience the KEI'S stuff. I'm gonna go to the vending machine real quick. I'm thirsty. Alright. But yeah, this is just regular old Japan for you. Just drive on a mountain road. Cool scenery. Ah, shit. I forgot my wallet. I forgot my wallet, but I have an ashtray full of coins. Gotta thank these old cars for having ashtrays. I like that low sound it makes. It's really good. At some point I want to put like either ITVs or carbureted throttle body on there or whatnot. Carburetors sounds so cool. Light on that thing was like droopy. Thing looks like it's about to fall apart. Alright, I gotta see if this has power steering or not. Okay. It doesn't feel like, well maybe it does, I don't know. Alright, hold on. You guys in the comments, whoever's knowledgeable about these things, you tell me whether or not this thing has power steering or not. It feels like it doesn't, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure if the power steering is weak or it just doesn't have any. Okay. Alternator, whatever that is. Is that the water pump? I don't know. That's the alternator. What's that? It must have power steering. I don't know. Well, the guys at the drift track the other day told me this doesn't have power steering, but I don't know for sure. It kind of feels like it does, almost, but sometimes it doesn't feel like it's a mystery. It's like a mini shrine. I guess I just decided they decided that there's gonna be a shrine there. Oh man, this corner, this turn right here is really, this would be the perfect turn for a drift. This is actually a really good spot. Oh, Paradise Oita. You know, there's a go-kart track right nearby that. Me and my brother, we go there sometimes. Oh, look at this one. Yeah. Okay, alright. This, I like this, I like this. I don't know if you can see that. There's like a red road over there. I'm going there. What is that? It's like the most violently Japanese thing I've seen all day. I gotta go there. Oh, what the fuck is this? Yeah. Oh, I feel so Japanese right now. Diff just kicked in right now. Turn was so steep. Cool, cool, cool. Alright. That's a cool little car there. Deep one. If I was driving an MR2, I would have just fucking jumped that shit. I couldn't, I wouldn't be able to contain myself. I would just want to jump it so badly. Put Crazy for Love on. Let's go right. Yeah, so if you just live in Japan, then especially in the country area, just go up to any mountain and it's just like this, basically. Pretty cool stuff. I sense a good turn coming up. Statue thing. You know, when you see those cat statues outside of stores here in Japan that are like doing this the whole time, and they got like a gold coin on their stomach, that means they're bringing in money, like they're calling money in. So I should put one on here. I don't know. This car likes to take money. There's a little S15 over here under the cover. It's like, I'm pretty sure that's on purpose, where he has just a little teaser of the car. It's like women back in like the medieval times showing their ankles. That guy was showing the scandalous rear, the tail lights. Although the tail lights on the Sylvia S15 are pretty scandalous, I would say. Like the tail lights on this car, they're just like any other car from the era. Just square, look, just put it on. Design doesn't matter, just the car has to be a car. Put it on there. but that's what I like. Nothing too fancy. It's just a simple car. I like the simpleness of it. And honestly, they're still unique in their own way. Like, they have their own design, I guess. I like the square boxiness of the 80s cars. I mean, even the dashboard is square. I really like this though. It's pretty cool little addition to my interior. I think I got really lucky with this though. The little toy vending machine thing that sold a bunch of little old 86s. They came in like different colors, and of course they had the 11 and the Torino, so I did really get lucky with this one. I got a red and black 11. Oh, look at that. There's a GR Yaris over there, sitting there lonely, like all by himself. But anyways, I guess that about wraps it up for this video. Tell me what you thought about the 360 camera. If you're new to this channel, then I do these kind of videos where I drive around, POV videos, and I have this 86 and I have another one, GT86. So if you want to see more of that, then I have that on my channel as well. But yeah, if you like it, hit like, subscribe and whatnot, and I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe and take care.